Today, we're checking out a phantom from the 18 Ball featuring SB19 during their simula at Wakas first stop in Taipei. We shout out to Concert Crimes for capturing this. Let's not waste any more time. Let's hit play.
Okay, let's do this. Wait a second, cause we're going to the top.
Just went first.
And now,
I think it was his first time
wait a second, cause we're going to the top.
being the first in the lineup for the song.
First stop, let's go.
This 8 tones
Everyone sing it with us.
ball, this is actually my first time seeing it perform live. They included some dancing here too. That's one thing I really like about them. They always bring it in choreography. Si Estelle pa rin kaya ang choreographer ng mga dance nila. Hindi, iba na. Wow! Yeah. Eight Ton Ball. Catchy yung song na yan, gusto ko. Yeah. I've listened to this song before, pero ano lang siya, lyrics lang siya. Ayan. Kaya gusto ko talaga yung song na yan. That jacket looks so good. It's pink. You know, only Ken could pull it off. That outfit. Yes. Justin. Justin, ang cute ni Justin. Iton ball. Parang iba yung pagkakarinig ko. Ay, sorry naman. Kasi nakikising along ako. Kasi alam ko nga yung kanta na yan. Alam mo ba, they're the kind of group that never slack off on stage. You won't catch anyone looking lazy. Every single one of them gives their all. Yeah. Wow. Just is looking so macho here. Yeah. He's really the one catching my attention. His build is so solid and the way he moves just shows how strong and confident he is. Yeah. Natutuwa ako sa suot talaga ni Kim. Sobrang astig. You know what I really love about this Phantom is that you can see the whole group clearly. Major kudos to the one who filmed this. Nag-shoutout na ako kanina. Yeah. Ooh. Talaga si Juice, macho. And, you know, nakalimutan ko sabihin, si Pablo din na yung falsetto niya sa mga part niya. Napaka-smooth and controlled talaga. And it still hits such a high note here din. Marami kong sasabihin kanina, kaya lang sobrang nasisiyahan talaga ako sa panunod. Kaya hindi ko siya masyado. Pero sa thoughts naman natin, magbibigay naman tayo ng thoughts dito, ano? Yeah. Kinuna ako na. Come on na. Ayan. And yung end niya, no, meron pa silang another song coming up. Yeah. But we'll save that for the next video. So now, what do you think of the whole performance? Go ahead and share your thoughts and give it a rating from 1 to 10. Okay. Si Josh has pandesal. Diba? Nakita mo? Yes, pandesal. Yeah. Pinakita niya pandesal. Inaagawan mo pa ako kay Josh. Hindi naman. Ano ba? Teka, mali. Mali natin dyan. Yung bass, na-heard mo. Oo. Narinig mo. Ang ganda. Pablo probably composed this song. And here pa. Yung nabubulol na ako. Kasi naman nagagaling nila. Yung rap part was so fast. Yun sasabihin ko. I couldn't really see their dancing very well kasi ang daming ulo sa harap. I couldn't see them properly. And si Estelle, yung voice niya is really powerful. It's full and strong even with his big dance moves. Overall, based on what I saw of their performance, I enjoy it. Even though there was a part where Pablo didn't sing much. It was still okay because he was dancing and I think that part of his song was falsetto. But Estelle's voice sounded like a recording. It was so full and strong. And the dancers, we should pay attention to them. They're amazing. You find yourself watching them. They really put in the effort. My score for them is 9.99. How about Wow. you? For me, that performance was absolutely solid. Everything about it just screamed professionalism and passion. The vocals were so on point, especially that falsetto from Pablo and that high note from Estelle. Chills just really stood out with his stage presence, super macho and confident, and Justin was just adorable as always. I also love how the choreo was synchronized, and you can really see how no one in this group ever slacks off. Even the little details like the outfits, the camera angles, and those small on-stage moments, they all added up to something really special. And big shout out to the person who took this fun cam. Ayan, it captured the whole group so well. Overall, it was entertaining, powerful, and full of energy. For me, this performance is a perfect 10 out of 10. No doubt it.